In this video, we're going to talk about the sign rules in mathematics. For the rules based on multiplication, we have plus times plus, plus times plus is equal to plus, plus times minus is equal to minus, minus times plus is equal to minus, minus times minus is equal to plus. So based on division, these same signs of addition and subtraction becomes, if we have, say we have plus divided by plus, it will be equal to plus. Or we have plus divided by minus, it will be equal to minus. If we have minus divided by plus, it will be equal to minus. If we have minus divided by minus, to be equal to plus. Now, to help you remember this rule, I would like you to note that for the addition, you can remember it as friend. So anywhere you see addition, you can present it as friend. Anywhere you see multiplication or division, you can represent it as off. These statements would become: the friend of my friend is my friend. The friend of my enemy is my enemy. The enemy of my friend is my enemy. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. So logically, that is how you can remember the rules of signs. Another thing you notice about the rules of sign is, if you have the same sign, like plus and plus multiplying itself, in this same case minus and minus, or dividing itself, like say plus and plus, in this case minus dividing minus, the sign is always a positive sign. But if you have opposite signs multiplying themselves or dividing themselves, the sign is a negative. Let's quickly take cases or examples where we normally use the sign rule in mathematics. For the multiplication cases, let's say you have plus 1 and you're multiplying it by plus 1. First of all, you multiply the signs. So we know that plus times plus is plus. So we have plus here. Then we have 1 times 1 is 1. Let's also say you have plus 1 times minus 1. We first multiply the signs. So we have plus times minus. This is a minus. Then we have 1 times 1. This is a 1. Let's say we have minus 1 times plus 1. If you have two opposite signs multiplying themselves, like here to minus times plus, this is equal to minus. 1 times 1 is 1. If you also have minus 1 times minus 1 multiplying themselves, if you have minus times minus first, this is plus. 1 times 1 is 1. So what of in case of division? In case of division, if you have plus 1 divided by plus 1, it will still be plus 1. If you have plus 1 divided by minus 1, to be minus 1. Plus divided by minus is minus. If you have minus 1 divided by plus 1, you divide the signs like we've been doing before. Minus divided by plus is still minus. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus divided by minus is plus. So we have plus. 1 divided by 1 is 1. In case of addition and subtraction, let's take a look at that. In case of addition and subtraction, let's say in case of addition and then in the case of subtraction. I'll be using a number line to help explain how this works. So let's say this is my number line. So my number line, this is my 0.0, this is my 0.1, this is my 0.2, and then is my -1, -2. And there are other numbers to the left of here, and there are other numbers to the right of here. Let's say this is 3, let's say this is -3 on my number line. So let's say I have +2 plus open brackets +1. When two signs are next to each other, they are multiplying themselves. So I have to rewrite this. So anytime I have plus times plus, you know that plus times plus, the friend of my friend is my friend. So this is equal to 2 plus 1. Plus 2 plus 1. So plus 2 plus 1 on number line is moving positive on number line means moving this way. So this is the positive movements. Negative movement means moving this way. So these are the negative movements. So if I have +2, I'm moving 1, 2. +1, I'm moving towards this way. So this is equal to 3. So let's say I have +2 plus open brackets -1. I have to rewrite this because there are two signs next to each other. So plus times minus. Plus times minus, like we've done before, is a minus. Like I said, the friend of my enemy is my enemy. So this will be equal to 2 plus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 2 is 1, 2, minus 1, move to the left. So this is 1. Say I have -2 plus open brackets plus 1. This is equal to -2 plus times plus is plus. So I have -2 plus 1, which is equal to. So -2 means I move 2 times to the left on my number line. So this is 1, 2. Plus 1 means I'll move to the right on my number line. So this is 1. So my answer is -1. This is -1. Then say I have -2 plus open brackets -1 is equal to. So I have -2. The two signs next to each other is plus and minus. So plus times minus is minus. So this is -2 minus 1. -2 is 1, 2 to the left. -1 means we have to add another 1 step to the left. So this is 1 step to the left. We're ending at -3. So we have -3. For the subtraction, it's still the same thing. When two signs are next to each other, you multiply the signs. Let's say I have +2 minus open brackets plus 1. Two signs next to each other is plus and minus. So I can write this as +2 minus 1. +2 minus 1 means I move it 2 times to the right. -1, 1 times to the left. So this is +1. Then let's say I have +2 minus open brackets -1. So I have minus times minus next to each other. So I can write this as 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So I have -2 and minus open brackets plus 1. This will be equal to minus times plus is minus. So I have -2 minus 1. -2 minus 1 is -3, as we've seen before from our number line. Here we have -2 minus open brackets -1. So -2 minus times minus is plus. So this is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So that's how to solve problems or solve arithmetic operations, or perform arithmetic operations involving multiple mathematical signs of division, subtraction, and multiplication. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up. It helps the channel. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching again.